Focus. There it goes, sorta. Today is 2nd of October. I changed my filters on my AC unit the first day of every month. And I went to change my filter, and my emergency drain pan for my hot water heater had water in it. So this hot water heater was installed when the house was built, approximately 1998 or 99, and it's a 50-gallon natural gas fired hot water heater. Got my money's worth out of it, but as a professional install, all the piping's brazed in place, pressure and temperature valve discharge, brazed going to a drain. And I've got a plumber buddy of mine coming in tomorrow with his helper to install the new one. Another ream. This one's got a 9-year factory warranty, fancier control, which I don't really care about. It's supposed to be ultra high efficiency. Natural gas, of course, replaced what I had. And because of Biden, you better get you one, because they're fixing to outlaw the damn things. Natural gas ones. This here is my wheel lock for my dump trailer, and my geogrid came in too. So I'm going to carry that stuff up to my little building and install my wheel lock on my trailer. On AC filters, if you don't already know, I was in the heat transfer game and all aspects of it for over 50 years. And they sell ultra high dollar filters. They're $30 and $40 a piece, supposed to last 6 months. Well, they're full of poop. All right, best thing to do, get you a decent quality 30-day filter. It'll say 90 days on the package. Look for something about $6 to $8 each. Mine is a 20 by 25. And change it every single month. Every single month. Well, it was temperate. I didn't run my AC much. Don't care. Change it every single month. It's a consumable item. Just keep it changed, and you'll never have issues with your evaporator coil, the one inside your house. Now again, I was in the trade for 50 plus years. And those ultra expensive, supposedly long-lasting filters are the biggest rip-off known to man. Once it gets fouled out, it's fouled out. It might foul out in the first month, especially if you got pets. So then you think, well, it's a 6-month filter, I'll change it 5 months later. Too late. You know, you've already restricted the airflow across your evaporator. It causes all kinds of operational issues. Just get, the $6 to $8 filter for 20 by 25 and change it every single month. Or do what you want. It's up to you. So, if I got to use my appliance dolly, that sucker weighs 145 pounds, 165 pounds packaged. A little bit bigger than my other ones, got better insulation. That's why. So, we'll get that thing swapped out tomorrow. And right now I'm going to take my wheel lock, install it on my dump trailer, take my geogrid up to the little building, and still got to fill up my coffee thermos. And that's probably about it for today. And just drop that stuff off and relax a bit. So there's Fluffy. She's checking everything out. Kitty was too. Something new. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.